How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on search button, simply search apps and notification. And then click on apps and notification. After you have clicked on apps and notification, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Instagram. After you've done that, force stop the app and go to storage and cache, which is below permission. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply restart your device. After you've restarted your device, you're good to go. This is how to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.